Hi, I'm Sunny with WTI, and if you are looking for a tripod to stabilize those videos and pictures, definitely pick this up. It has so many great features to it. Expand to the desired height you would need. The phone holder is adjustable for any size phone you have, and this even comes with a remote control Bluetooth remote so you can discreetly take pictures. So here you have an adjustable knob that can make this bracket either shrink or expand to whatever size phone you have. You can also adjust your angle and then lock it into place by this knob here. And once your phone is in, you can adjust it from portrait to landscape by adjusting that knob. And this tripod can shrink down or expand to the desired height just by clicking those brackets. So if you're looking for a selfie stand to take pictures and suit all your needs, definitely pick up this selfie stick tripod and you will not be disappointed. But that's just my point of view.